Assembling and building pipelines with the SIDGMAN coupling flange. The SIDGMAN coupling flange is a novel welded joint system designed for inner coated pipes. Its number one advantage is that it prevents damage to the inner coating during the on-site welding process, keeping it intact. The flange is a combination of two pieces, male and female, that are installed in the shop at the ends of each pipe. The female component has a cavity with an O-ring for high pressures. Both pieces are made of solid steel, so they do not become deformed during transportation of the pipeline, and they have a concentric and continuous guide that makes it easier to fit them together during the coupling. Getting the two pieces properly welded on site is possible because the SIDGMAN coupling flange has a stopper that has been calculated and is inherent to its design, which ensures precise and homogeneous spacing of 2 to 2.5 millimeters between the central bevels on each piece. Both pieces, the male and female, include holes that make it possible to exhaust the gases generated during the welding process and serve as points for spot check of the on-site welding. These holes also hold in place the covers that protect the ends of the pipes during transportation and subsequent handling during assembly. These covers are made from recyclable, reusable, and sustainable materials. Any 12, 18, or 24-meter pipes coming from the shop can be aligned so that the male end of one pipe runs up against the female end of the next. The two ends are joined together up to the design separation and welded using a standard welding procedure. The welding system may be manual arc, orbital, or MIG. This joint system is applicable to all current pipeline construction and assembly methods, such as heading time on various working faces in parallel, making pipeline sections measuring 100, 200, or 500 meters in length, depending on the construction company's work schedule. These sections are suspended with the support of maneuvering gear, lifting equipment like side booms and supports, which makes it possible to bring the pipe ends up to a minimum distance of 0.5 meters. At that distance, the assembly and final tightening machine is located and set for the welding process. After the SIDGMAN coupling flange has been welded, the welding can be inspected through the holes in the pieces, and then the plug seals are placed on. This process and maneuver are repeated across 100% of the pipeline, including curved piping, moving the pipeline into trenches if appropriate, etc. In the traditional system, repairing the inner coating and doing X-ray inspections are time-consuming activities that entail high equipment costs and specialized personnel. Experience has shown that the quality of the inner coating repair can be dubious, does not contribute safety on the line, and that the joints continue to be a weak point in the system. The SIDGMAN coupling flange reduces pipeline construction cost and time by doing away with the need to repair the inner coating after welding the pipes on site, as well as making it unnecessary to carry out X-ray inspection of the welding, as it is structural type welding, unexposed to hydrostatic pressure. In other words, it simplifies assembly and reduces occupational risk, and even contribute major savings on machinery, execution times, subcontracting, skilled labor, and risk reduction, while ensuring project quality and significantly extending the pipe service life. The joints made using the SIDGMAN coupling flange behave as a whole with the rest of the piping. They are no longer the weak point in the pipeline. The SIDGMAN coupling flange offers a unique benefit that no other system can offer.